that? Yo, it's those drag queens again. Yo, stop fronting, bitches. We know you're drag queens. We know.
Yo, those guys know we're drag queens.
Nah, they don't know shit. I'm pretty, you know?
Yo, but I think sometimes you give it away, cause you know your makeup, it'll be dripping.
Nah, man, my shit doesn't drip. None of our shit drips. We're pretty girls. We're women in our hearts, you know, in our side of minds.
Yep.
Yeah, you know, it doesn't matter if we're guys, because look at me. I'm pretty. I'm like a beautiful woman. You know, fuck them.
Man, they don't even know about our style, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
I go to the docks. I go to the piers. They don't think I'm a girl.
Yo.
They don't even know.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Fucked up.
But you know, sometimes, I think I give it away, cause, well, my penis, you know, it's so big, and it just sticks out a little too much.
Yeah.
You know what we're all saying. We all feel that, right? I mean, you know when it just sticks out. And you can't,
I got big balls, though, kid. Big.
You know, I think about my pimp slapping me.
That's funny.
Boy, those were the days, right, Mom?
Oh, after menopause, it's never been the same. You know?
I wouldn't know that. I still catch mad dick all the time. Like you told me, Mom.
You know, your father had the
Biggest cock, right? I mean, that's what I used to think, but I was so young. 3, 4, 5, was it?
No. Back when you were 8.
Back when I was 8, what, Ma? You gonna talk about raping my ass again? That time you shoved the cucumber in my asshole, you and Daddy? Do we have to talk about that again?
You're gonna get dirty again.
Yes, I'm gonna get dirty again. You hear what I'm saying here? I'm pumping.
You're so cute when you get angry.
To the end of the show. So get your tapes ready. Masturbate steady. Oh. Peace.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing.
Did you find that white blotter in the fridge?
No, I don't know. I don't care. What up? I don't care.
What are you looking at, huh? The neighbors? Nah, they like to fuck.
Yeah, they do.
Well, that should make you happy. Johnny, why?
I want your slit, Mom, in my mouth.
Ooh, that sounds juicy.
You don't understand.
I think I do.
I just want your wet mom puss in my mouth today, 'cause it tastes good.
Well, huh?
It's like I can feel it, you know? It's like I can touch it, rub it, call it my own.
That shit sounds kind of good. Couple pubes left? I could suck on them.
I got 2 pubes and they're long, like this long, and I can tie them around my pee head and make it burst. Pee head.
Tony, take him. Take him, son.
Okay.
Your scalp has lice like a motherfucker. I'm gonna get this little pick and take it out and clean your fucking head off. I know it's exciting. Hey, you ever use Nair up there? Hey, what's this neck hair? Oh, haha, look at that.